अपने ही देश नहीं, भारत नहीं, पूरे विश्व की तकदीर बदलने वाले कुछ ही नेता पूरी दुनिया के होते हैं और उनमें से एक आज तक पर थे।
Absolutely, it was a rare moment. We had President Putin over here, and now we have our bosses sitting with us, the leadership of India Today, who were here, who traveled all the way to Moscow. We are here at the Ekaterina Hall. This is a historic hall. President Putin holds his National Council meetings here. He decorates people here, and now the decorated members of India Today group, Arch the group, are here. How did it feel, Kali?
We're on such an adrenaline high, watching the two of you on air in a monitor. It was just amazing. You were the two women who interviewed him for the first time. He hasn't been interviewed by two women anchors, so that's a first. And I thought that the interview was very global in its perspective. We didn't just stick to our own problem of India and relations between India and Russia, but you widened the perspective on what President Putin brings to the global stage. And I think that really was a coming out ball, let's say, for an Indian media house to be talking about global issues, because why should we be left behind? We are on the global stage to be taking part and be invited to this high table. And I think the two of you really did a fantastic job.
तो हमारी एग्जीक्यूटिव एडिटर इन चीफ कलीपुरी ये मानती हैं कि ये बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है हमारे लिए कि हमने हर सवाल, हर मुद्दे पर भारत नहीं, रूस यूक्रेन नहीं, पूरे विश्व में हर देश पर बातचीत की। अब हमारे साथ हमारे एडिटर इन चीफ अरुण पुरी हैं। आपके लिए क्या हाईलाइट था?
Firstly, it was a very important moment for the India Today group to get this interview. So I'm really proud of both of you who did the interview and the rest of the team who put it all together. I think it was a wonderful way, the way the interview was conducted. Also, for me, seeing Putin, meeting him personally, etc., he's been painted as a kind of villain of the world order in many ways, right? And the changing world order. And he came across as somebody who answered every one of your questions. He didn't duck anything, right? And that was an experience to see that here is a man who was painted in a certain way, but came across completely differently as somebody who would be ready to, has his own view of history, his own view of looking at the world, but he was very clear on what he wanted to say. And that was a great impression.
A moment of pride, Kali?
Because I think one of the things was, around any world leader, the team is very strict about protocol and about the amount of time you can spend with the leader. And they were very clear that you have 60 minutes. But because the president was enjoying the conversation so much, he was smiling and he was so charmed and he liked the questions, the interview ran for 100 minutes. And even afterwards, he was very open to engage with us in an informal conversation. I think that was a testament to the interviewing ability of the two of you and, of course, the rest of the team and the entire research that worked behind. I want to add to this that we were selected amongst all of the Indian channels by the Russian press team. And they did that because of the impact that the India Today group brings for any big interview. And I'm very proud of that. And I think they felt happy that they had made the right choice. And that, again, is a good sort of way to end the year for us, right? We're like in December now, 20 days to end the year.
Mr. Puri, I think the most interesting part for me was to see him, see his sense of humor. That came as a surprise because everybody has always portrayed him as this villain of the West that you've...
or a very serious man.
You asked him a very interesting question as well.
Yes, I asked him, I had the opportunity to talk to him off camera, where I asked him, you've been a top leader for 25 years, over 25 years of Russia, and do you have any regrets? Would you do something any different? He kind of thought and, kind of ummed and awed, and he said, well, I think he's a man who doesn't want to admit mistakes. So he said, I never look back. So that was the end of that.
What has been done has been
You're somebody who doesn't like to look back either.
Yeah,
you believe that we should always look forward and not look back.
That's true.
When people ask you that question, that's what you always say.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't remember. No, I'm looking forward always. And, that he came across as very amiable and very friendly actually, and very soft. And he was caring about issues that we didn't think he'd care about. You know, he's like very keen on the environment. You know, and the fact that other leaders maybe don't want to speak to him, and he's very open to talking to them. So he came across as very soft, actually. That was not something that I was expecting.
I quite agree.
Not looking back, looking ahead, Kali, how would you put this interview in your entire
White House, here we come.
तो यही है इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप की ताकत कि हम कहीं पर रुकते नहीं हैं, हम कहीं पर थकते नहीं हैं और रात के आधी रात के बाद भी अगर आप देख रहे हैं पूरी टीम ऐसे डटी हुई है आपके सामने, तो इसके पीछे एक जज्बा है जो बहुत मेहनत के साथ आपने इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप में अरुण जी बनाया है.
and
No, it's because of the team, not for us.
And actually, the team here, the team at President Putin's side said, we've never dealt with a team that is so particular about the way they want the frames, what lighting they want, the amount of work they have put into putting this whole interview together. They were really pleasantly, not surprised, but happy about it. And they said, we've never seen that.
actually the press team, Alexei, who comes right after Peskov, said that everyone else comes and we just give them that space with the carpet and where the tables are and the curtains. And they said this is the first time that he's being interviewed in front of the statue. The first time.
I think that just shows कि हम लोग कितना एफर्ट करते हैं, कितनी मेहनत करते हैं, क्योंकि एक एक फ्रेम को चूज करते हैं ताकि आप जब अपने घर में टेलीविजन पे इस इंटरव्यू को देखें तो आपके लिए भी वैसा ही एक्सपीरियंस हो जो
But
हमारे.
that's the India Today group's way. Now you give us a little centimeter and we're like, walk, we open the entire door, we want this and we want that.
प्रधानमंत्री की
We're doing right. We're doing it right now because you know the security guards are saying.
Two ladies.
Sorry.
Putin was also enchanted by you two ladies. You know? Yes, it was a charm offensive. He was smiling, he was relaxed.
Yeah.
Right? It was.
And he took all the
definitely
tough questions as well. He took all the tough questions as well. He
That's
just-
always a journalist's dream if you can ask those questions.
It was a dream interview because he did a no holds barred interview.
And it's a dream to be here in Moscow at this time of the year when it really is like winter wonderland, right? With lights and Christmas trees and all the decorations and festivities around. And you just kind of think, where are the sanctions?
And you said it. You told him that, and he said, "Oh, you should stay back 2 more weeks."
Yeah, he said, save it 2 more weeks. I have president's orders, guys. Bye-bye.
दो लाइन में जल्दी से एक कमेंट आपसे हो जाए कि जो एक जिम्मेदारी होती है हमारे दर्शकों के प्रति, आपको लगता है कि उस मीटर पे अरुण जी आप इसको कहाँ ना.
I think this is 10 out of 10 because this is the news point of the time. President Putin is going to India. There's peace talks going on about Ukraine. He's the main person there. So we are right on top of the news as always.
KP doesn't get bigger than this.
I can't say anything. Appraisals is too close.
Yeah. But can I say one thing? When India Today network really wants to follow news, we own it. And this is how we've owned the Putin visit.